What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel. This is a highly requested video from you on my Instagram stories when I made questions on which topic I should make my next video. This was the most requested one. It's gonna be about TikTok for businesses. Let's begin. TikTok is a quite new platform, even though it's not really new. It's before it started to call TikTok, it was Musical.ly, and the story of this platform started in China, and now this is the fastest growing social media platform in the world. So if you're not on TikTok yet, make sure to register, because one day it can be late, as same as happened with Instagram, because now the accounts of people who are on TikTok and within their niche grow super fast. This video will answer your question whether you should be on TikTok or not. Many of you have perception of TikTok that TikTok is only for teenagers, really young generation, where they shoot some, let's say, bullshit and challenges and so on. However, you can be super wrong, because this is not the truth. You can find a lot of companies and that they're doing quite successful on TikTok. So let me answer your questions. Should you be on TikTok or not? And I have an answer for you. It depends on the type of business you have. It depends on what kind of products you sell and services. But for sure, for some of the niches, TikTok can be a great opportunity to get even bigger exposure on social media. For who it can be interesting? Of course, for photographers and videographers. If you're the one, then make sure to download TikTok right away and start using it. Let me show you one of the accounts that's really inspiring. If you don't know what to shoot on TikTok, that can be one of the inspirations. Alright, this is the account of one of the photographers, and I'm really amazed the way they do. What they do is actually they provide small tutorials, really short tutorials, because the video on TikTok can be only 15 seconds long, if I'm not mistaken. So, and they provide you how you exactly can reach this effect. Let me show you one. I think this is super amazing, because they're just not showing that they're really professional in what they're doing, but it also attracts a lot of attention from the bigger audience. The second type of people who can be on TikTok is, of course, people who has something to do with food. If you're baking cakes for birthdays and different parties, if you're just cooking, if you have catering company, if you're just restaurant, bar, and so on and so forth, if you have anything to do with food, be on TikTok. TikTok is a great platform to show your amazing stuff on it. There are really tons of different accounts where they show the process of cooking and how it's looking in the end. So if you are within food niche, make sure to download TikTok. The next niche that is highly consumable on TikTok is, of course, travel. If you have a travel blog, travel agency, or has something to do with travel niche, make sure to use TikTok as well, because TikTok is an amazing platform for making short videos about your travel routines, about your experience, and so on. Don't quit the video yet, because I have an extra tip in the end of the video how you can get even more exposure once you're on TikTok. If you are in a sport niche, TikTok is just right for you as well, because what you can do, I'm just brainstorming, you can shoot short videos where you show exercises, how to do this correctly or not. If you own a gym, if you own just a small studio, make sure to utilize TikTok as well, because you can really get a lot of exposure. And even if you think that TikTok is for younger generation, this is the case. But this young generation, and I'm super happy about this, that young people are getting more and more into sport. Don't avoid this type of audience, because they are really interested in sports. TikTok as well would be suitable if you have something to do with clothing niche. You can really just make lookbook videos, show how you can combine different type of pieces, show some of your clothing lines, and so on. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell to not miss any of my videos. The other niche that can for sure benefit from TikTok is music. If you're making music, if you work somehow with music, make sure to utilize TikTok, because I know the story that a girl who was making her own music, and her video was uploaded on TikTok. Over a night she got viral, this video get viral, and she became super popular, and thanks to TikTok video she assigned a super cool contract with recording company. And generally, if your business is selling products to a younger generation, to teenagers or even younger audience, make sure to utilize TikTok as well, because this is audience right for you. It's true that there is a lot of young people on TikTok. If you're the one who is selling and offering services for young generation, make sure to embrace TikTok as well into your marketing strategy. And as I promised, an extra tip for you how to get an exposure on TikTok much faster: don't forget to use hashtags in your caption. And if you want to target your audience within your area, if you have a physically based business, then make sure to insert hashtags that has something to do with your geolocation. It can be the name of this city, it can be the name of the district, and so on. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if there's any comments or questions you want to ask me, make sure to list them in the comments below. And if there's any topic you want me to cover in my future videos, make sure to list your topics as well and ideas in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.